In this video, I want to go and showcase you all of today's Amazon Prime Day deals, and we're going to make this video throughout the Prime days. And yeah, not going to waste your time. We jump straight to the laptop. The first thing is this one, a DJI Mini 3 with 38% discount. You will find the link down below to go and buy it directly. So thank you very much if you do. That supports and helps a lot, as it is an affiliate link. So thank you very much for your support. But first up, DJI Mini 3, great deal, 38%. Next up, we do have a Dyson Cool AM, as we see here, 43% off. So great if you are suffering the heat, your air conditioning may be down or anything. 43% off. The link will be down below, and as we see here, loved by the people. Next up, we do have the Samsung 32-inch Odyssey screen, 42% discount at $189. The link will be down below. Great monitor, of course, from Samsung. Next up, in the camera gear, you have the Sony FE70 200mm f4 Macro Series 2, and as we see here, it is a great deal on today. 7% off, 90 days low, as we see here. Or there is also the lens only if you just go and switch to the right, which is up to you where you want to go and buy it, but the link will be down below. Next up, we have the Sony FE 35mm 1.8 aperture, 18% off. Great deal if you're looking for landscape photos or internal or studios, but it is a fixed lens. Great aperture. Next up, we have probably the best camera in the market, Sony FX2 full frame cinema body camera, 20% off. So great, $600 off, $500 off. The link will be down below. Great purchase in my opinion for this one. Next up, we keep on pushing with the Canon R5, as we see here, mirrorless cameras, 21% off, limited time only, Prime Day deal only, Amazon choice as well. 21% off, we're looking at $700 off, so would really recommend you grabbing one. Next up, we have the Canon RF 75mm 300mm, 17% off. Great choice for the Canon lovers. Going to the Nikon, we have the Z5 right here for 38% discount, 90 days low price. The link will be down below. Incredible deal in my opinion. Next up, we have the Asus ROG Strix G16, Amazon choice, Prime Day deal, 90% off. Incredible $500 off. Link down below as well. And then we have the iRobot Roomba in case you want to clean your home. 1,000 bought in the past month, loved by the people. We know Roomba and Robot is great. 52% off. So great deal. Link down below. We then have the Asus VivoBook Go 15.6 inch, 500 baht, 15% off for the Prime Day deal. Great, if you're looking for a laptop as well that doesn't break the bank. Next up, we go and move and we clean our teeth for a 50% off over on the Philips Sonicare 7300 toothbrush right here. Great deal in my opinion. Philips Sonicare as well goes in for a 46% off on the 9500 series. 2K bought in the past month. Great deal. Then the iRobot Roomba 705X for another 50% off, only $700 discount. Great deal. We then have the Beats Studio Pro Premium Wireless Over Ear Headphones, #1 bestseller, 2K bought in the past month, 40% off. So great amazing deal. And tomorrow there's gonna be new ones, so make sure to subscribe and stick until the end because we're gonna take you more tomorrow. And then we got the HP OmniBook 3, 34% off on the Prime Day deal. Link will be down below, and that is about it. I don't want to bother you, I don't want to keep this too long. Quick and easy, all the links down below. Make sure to go and buy it, and thank you very much if you do, and thank you very much for your support.